So hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Sugyan. So today I'm going to play Castle Crest, which is a game which I played 3 or 4 months ago. I left this game and I'm not that bad in this game. So today I will do commentary in English. So this because of some of my friends. So this was my deck which I played 3 or 4 months ago, and today I forged my Archer Queen and Dragon to level 3. So today we are going to play some matches live. I'm recording it live, so let's go. I don't know what is going to happen. Okay, here is a guy with level 10, and today I have a good hand, kind of a good hand. So you can see I would like to play the angel first, and then I should play the golem. Yes, I should play the golem. So if you don't know how to play this game, you can watch it on YouTube. So he played the Phoenix. Phoenix. Okay, he killed my angel. I would like to use that poison there to kill Isaac, and I'm going in the top lane. Okay, Boneyard. I hate this kind of a deck. This kind of deck. My English is poor, I know. Anyway. Okay, I have to kill his salmon right there with this sword. Nice. These two skeletons are really frustrating. Let me use the Archer Queen here, which is level 3 right now, and the Fandancer in the top lane. Okay, he played the skeletons. What their name I forgot. Okay, a spike statue there to kill all the stuff, all the little stuff. And now my Archer Queen is hitting very hard, and it is a really hard time for him. So let's see what will happen next. So he played and I killed them. I killed the Skull King stuff easily. Okay, nice going. I believe I got this. Okay, I should not do that right now. Okay, he beat the dragon, but I think it's gone to me. I got this. Okay, last hit. Message, sorry. Last hit, and we got this. Nice victory. Nice one. Good game, my friend. So I have a problem with my replays, my match histories. Look. Let me show you. Wait. I will show you. Look, I can share or watch my replays, but why? Anyway, let's go for another match. And really, I don't know what is going to happen in this match also, because I'm recording it live. So okay, Jai Hanuman, a guy from my country. Nice. So I have to 1-1 gust of wind, and I would like to play a very bad hand. Okay, now I got one angel, but nothing to make a combo with. So I have to wait. Should I put the spike statue? Let me see what is he. Okay, he played a mana ritual. Let me see. Okay, a giant mud elemental. Okay, I would like to put that spike there, and should I put? Yes, I should put this here. The Hollow Knight. Okay, a metamorph to an angel. Okay, that's not good for me, right? Oh my god, he healed up. Okay, going very tough. Okay, my Hollow Knight is going. I should have wind. I should have used the wind. Okay, double mud elementals. Oh my god, destructive. I have to use this. Okay, the correct timing of Fandancer. Okay, he played the Valk in the middle lane. Oh my god, giant growth on that. Anyway, let's see. Can I kill him? Okay, I can. I believe. Oh no, he freezed me there. Okay, poison on that. His dragon. He played a dragon. Oh my god, it is going very tough. I don't think I can get this anymore. Anyway, I should try. I should not give up. Okay, I would like to play this Archer Queen here and should win that. Yes, another Valkyrie. Oh my god. He has a profit of 6 mana. Oh. I have Phoenix and Dragon. I should play the Dragon right here to save my Archer Queen. because Archer Queen is going very brutally. I mean, it's killing very brutally because I have forged it. Okay, Black Witch there and trying to make a combo, but I don't think it's going to happen. He played Dragon and it is his mistake. I believe this is his mistake, but he's, oh my god, I don't think so. I can get this. Okay, I have Wind. Okay, I have Dragon. Okay, can I do it? Okay, now oh no, he fished me again. Okay, his Metamorph died. Anyway, let's try it again. Okay, I'm going this lane. Can I get this? Okay, I'm getting this. Oh my god, I'm getting this. I can't believe this. Oh my god, this was okay. Nice one. Oh, I didn't expect this. Going very nice, really. Gone very nice. So I hope you liked the video, guys. If you liked, then please don't forget to press like, and this is my client, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want more videos in this topic, this gameplay series of Castle Crush, then please subscribe the channel, and I will upload the next part very soon, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So